Make sure and use MEXC. Go to the VIP link in the description. You get half price trading fees. By far, this is the best exchange there is. You got 2,000 altcoins you can trade. Leverage trading on here is cheaper than anywhere else. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where we talk about everything crypto almost daily. On Thanksgiving, I want to give thanks to you guys for making this possible. Very grateful to have the opportunity to teach you and guide you. This bull market is going to be life-changing, and I'm going to guide you along every step of the way. So subscribe to the channel and let's get into it. Bitcoin jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin is basically in the same rising, broadening wedge. I've seen these when Bitcoin's very bullish, last bull market, like these things, if Bitcoin can break 38,000, like you'll see parabolic price rise, right? So 40,000, 42, 44, 48 can come quick. Now this is technically supposed to break lower, but there's all this spot Bitcoin ETF ideas out there, and there's going to be a lot of buyers that will buy it up. So if you got a dip, then the potential for, taking off quickly is in the cards. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. Right now, Black Friday discount, it's $2 a day, right? It's $730. You pay for the year. It's actually less than $2 a day because you get an extra 3 months for free. So 15 months for $730. People are paying for the fees, making it back in like a week or a couple trades. Like, it's ridiculous. All you have to do, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Change your life forever. We got 2 years of bull market coming, and we kill it. This person made $4,000 in 1 week. This person started with $14,000, turned it into $170,000. This person had $50,000 and turned it into $300,000. This person had $10,000 and turned it into $200,000. These are recent winners. We had TRB, one of the top performing coins there is. We posted the setup a couple times, 626%, 408%, right? FET, again, another top performer, 174%, and we posted it a couple times, so you had multiple times to get in. WLD up 86%. We nail the bangers, period. Now, I want to talk to you about some coins that we talked about previously and give you an update on them, okay? And one coin is AKT. So AKT, I talked to you about in group. I posted on November the 6th. AKT and TAO are potential big runners next bull run in the AI sector, right? So these have a lot of potential. I think AKT could be the next RNDR. RNDR over $1 billion market cap, I believe, close to, and AKT a lot lower. If you look at this chart, you've got kind of a rounded bottom. Like, this thing looks like it wants to go parabolic. And so again, if that happens, life-changing money real quick. This is definitely on KuCoin. I talked to you about they launched this super cloud for AI, and it went live, right? And it's I got in here. I don't nail the bottoms. I don't nail the tops. I'm up 95%. The most important thing in this market is you have to find a trading style that works for you. And these long-term holds, what I'm doing is I'm putting them on exchange where I don't look at them, because normally on a 95% pump, AKT is up 95%. Normally I'd sell and take profits, right? So I'd try to, after this pump, I try to sell, take profits, and then rebuy back, sell and take profits. Well, at one point I'm going to be sleeping and this thing's going to pump and take off, and I'm going to miss it. And so I am trying to improve my skill set as far as being a holder and just kind of pushing these coins to the side and building my bags. And so I want you guys to always work on improving your skill sets, paying attention to ideas that we teach on the channel. And again, AKT their super cloud of AI is live. Now, why AKT is such a strong coin? Because it has the biggest and most immediate use case when it comes to AI in crypto, because it's cloud computing. So the limiting factor with AI is the GPU processing power, right? So you need tons of GPUs in order to run AI as a whole. So on November the 19th, Akash, AKT, they successfully completed the upgrade to mainnet 8, and they brought several quality of life improvements to the network, especially as GPU usage increases, the network usage grows. All the AI coins, they need GPUs to run them. And this is a cloud. You could have millions of computers decentralized sharing their GPU power, right? And so mainnet 8 lays the foundation for improved deployment of this GPU visibility. The cloud computing, like I said, greatest immediate application in blockchain right now. It's going to take time for AI to develop, right? It's still new. They're still doing a ton of development. Yeah, they've made a ton of, they've moved forward tremendously, but you're going to run into a point where GPU processing power, how many chips are they going to be able to get out? How many, let's say NVIDIA as an example. NVIDIA stock took off and went parabolic, right? NVIDIA was extreme. I mean, they're talking about NVIDIA being a $2 trillion stock by 2025, right? NVIDIA is taking over the real world. And now cloud GPU computing will allow millions of computers and GPUs to combine processing power. This is going to be a huge narrative for AI success in the future. So you have to have these GPUs to run AI, and that is where AKT comes in. And so just understand that there's a ton of long-term upside in AKT. It's always best to buy in a pullback. If this thing pulls back and you get some type of entry around $1 or $1.10, $1.20, that would be a good entry idea. But there's a ton of news in this thing. I mean, look at it. It's parabolic ready. TAO. Okay, so we posted TAO in the trading group on August the 13th. That's way down here. We're up 550% on this trade. Now, I identified it as a moonbag pick, a potential big runner for the next bull run in the AI sector. I think AKT, so Render, RNDR, has a large market cap. You're going to see these coins explode. Well, you don't want to buy the coin that already exploded, but you want to find a coin like it and then wait for it to explode. And so AKT is kind of a backup play for RNDR. Now, TAO on MEXC was posted in group down here, August the 13th. We're up 550% based on this idea. Okay, TAO is a very strong altcoin, AI-based altcoin, right? I posted this on the 6th. So I definitely didn't get in the bottom, but it was posted and people could have. I'm so busy. It's hard for me to catch these coins. I'm setting alerts. I got in right about in here and I'm up 200%. Okay. And I'm happy with it. Now this thing is pulling back, and, you know, obviously pullbacks are a good time to get in, but it's hard to buy a coin that's up only. However, there's going to be other coins that we're going to identify, and we're going to nail the breakouts. But this has just been a coin that I wanted to cover that has been strong and played out just like we talked about on YouTube. And we always, you know, we talked about it in group ahead of time. But I try to make sure that you guys make a ton of money too and share these ideas with you as well. The other idea that I think is important is these coins. So there's going to be a bunch of new money that's coming in crypto, right? And I know because they reach out to me, they're emailing me, and they're like, I know who's getting paid to pump what coins, right? You got to play the game. You got to look at this like a game, right? There's these coins, they create a project, and if they're smart, they're going to pay a bunch of YouTubers, they're going to pay a bunch of Twitter personalities to promote the coins. And a lot of times they pay them in the coins, right? And so this is just reality. This is how it works. What I want is I want good fundamentals. I want good marketing teams. I want good charts. And then I want to know that these marketing teams are going to pay to move the coins. One example, last market cycle was SafeMoon. And this was a member of the group. And he made $179,000 off $2,500 in SafeMoon. Where's SafeMoon now? The point is, like, everybody is like, oh, it's all about the technicals. It's all about the technicals. We're going to get this new money in that comes in the market. And there's definitely, obviously, coins that do well based on technicals. But when new money comes in, like SafeMoon, meme coins, all these coins with no use cases do the craziest multiples, right? And so don't get stuck on just the fundamentals. Get stuck, the hype. Hype is the most important, right? You can have a subpar crypto and it's, with the right marketing, it just takes off. And so SafeMoon, I think they're in legal trouble right now, but they were selling the dream, and all this crypto in general is all speculations, right? All the new money is going to come in and they're going to just pump this market crazy. We got 2 years of crazy amounts of upside coming. There'll be dips, obviously, but parabolic run up has always happened from the halving, which we're looking at April 2024, to, over the year after that, right? And then look for Bitcoin to top October, November, December 2025, right? This is not up only forever. Now, right now with Bitcoin, we do have the spot Bitcoin ETFs, which has created a lot of hype and is keeping Bitcoin looking bullish. And on any pullbacks, people are going to want to get in because they miss this move. And when the spot Bitcoin ETF is approved, Bitcoin is going to act like an altcoin, and people will sell altcoins and they'll go into Bitcoin. So I want you to understand that money flow idea. So on August the 26th, I posted this RNDR, and just think about this. These coins are up ridiculous. AGIX, FET. We just talked about FET a second ago. Up at the top, one of the top performers. Ocean has been good. INJ, Rose, like these have all been very strong AI coins that I explained in the trading group ahead of time months ago, and we've made ridiculous amounts of money just because it's right up here. You can see FET 174%. All these new coins have to do is sell the dream, right? They can promise the world, and they don't exactly have to do anything until later on. And then it's like bear market, and 99% of them die, right? So hype beat text. Understand, like, just play the game. Understand this is the idea. And I know a lot of people paint this picture like, oh, this coin is going to come in and it's going to take over and it's going to change the world. But the reality is that's going to happen to a very few number of coins, right? And so focus on just playing the game. So as an example, when I want to call somebody and say, dude, I'm killing it on this trade, I can't believe it, like that's when I know, okay, I'm gonna sell 25%. I'm gonna start taking profits, right? When you get that euphoric feeling, these coins are going straight up parabolic, it is a good idea to counter trade your emotions, right? And just slowly take profits off the top, and then you can always get back in. Not a big deal. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.